Ang dami namin lutong kikiam. Anli kami ngayon ng kikiam dahil it is homemade and you can make it at home using this recipe. So ito, nag-fillet tayo ng galunggong. GG, rated GG. Pero ang gagawin natin today ay kikiam, yung Kanto style kikiam, hindi yung authentic na Chinese style kikiam. So ito, kalahating kilo ng galunggong, no? So we only need the flesh. Pwede namang ibang isda dito. So you can choose whatever fish na available sa'yo. So ito na yung laman natin. As much as possible, wala siyang tinik to. Napaka-casual natin today dahil walang pasok yung mga tao dahil bumabagyo sa labas. Pero today, nag-shoot pa rin tayo. So unang-una, gagamitin natin yung ating food processor and lalagyan natin siya lahat. So ito yung usual na merienda dito sa office pag hindi umuulan. Pupunta kami doon sa kanto para kumain ng tusok-tusok, which includes the kikiam. Ito yung klaseng kikiam yung gagawin natin, yung Kanto style kikiam. I have here garlic. Sama ko na garlic. Just a little bit of ginger. And let us blend everything into a paste. Dapat smooth na smooth yung ating fish fillet, ang ating nito. Now, we will add our salt. I am using 1 teaspoon of salt. Yan. Add our salt. I'm adding half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Combination yan, ha. 2 egg whites, little drizzle. Yan, no. Stop muna natin. It's very fine. Yan, pero dapat ma-scrape natin yung gilid para natin nahalo talaga siya lahat. Ngayon, lalagyan natin ng ating panimpla. We will add 5 spice powder, half a teaspoon. Lalagyan natin ng cornstarch. This is 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 1/4 cup na harina. We're using all-purpose flour. And ang ating tubig, half a cup of cold water. Yan. And ang ating oil. Meron tayong vegetable oil na 1/3 cup. Yan. And I will also add ito, panglilamnam natin ating Maggi Magic Sarap. Ang gagamitin ko dito ay 1 pack ng Maggi Magic Sarap. Malinamnam at masarap tong ating kikiam. And we're adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Everything's done. And dapat very important dito, may tambay ka dito na cold water. Just on the side in case na kukulangin. So you have to watch the consistency. You want of a doughy consistency. Now, let's start. Adding our water little by little. Yan, no? So we are now creating a dough. And we are done. Ito siya. And this is our dough. So, scrape everything. Amoy kikiam na siya. So, ito, lalagyan natin ng oil yung bowl para hindi siya dumikit. Now, we will just remove our mixture. Yan, no? Very sticky ating dough. So, itong kikiam kasi, anong taon lang ito naging uso? Dati, wala namang ito. This is really an innovation that became popular in the last few years. So, this is our dough. Look at that, no? Very nice. Very smooth, oh. Yeah. Smells like kikiam. We need to have a clean surface. Babaston lang natin yung ating kikiam. And we will divide. Rub your knife with oil. Then mag-cut na lang tayo ng ating kikiam pieces. Then after, i-roll mo na siya. So we'll just let that rest for a moment. So ito, yung ating water, you should have a good amount of water para umalsa siya. Kasi kung wala siyang moisture sa loob, hindi siya masyadong alsado pag niluto natin. Ang kikiam kasi, actually, galing naman siya originally sa ngoyong. Ngoyong 5 spice. Malapit na to, halfway na yung ating kikiam. Boiling water, and it's very important, you put salt. Ito is around 1 tablespoon of salt. Kasi kung hindi mo aasinan yung water mo, yung lasa ng ating kikiam, mapupunta sa tubig. So, to retain the flavor sa ating kikiam, kailangan salted yung water. We will add it here and we will poach, no? Lagay lang natin. Pag lumitaw yan, parang palitaw, luto na siya. Yan. So, habang nagluluto ako dito, don't forget to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Daming dating recipes, ha? Daming nanonood na sa atin. Pero, please subscribe, dila. Huwag lang manood-manood lang. Dapat nagsusubscribe din. O, pag maluto na yan siya, lulutang na yan, then, tatabi na natin siya. So, let it cook. Siguro, pag-cook nito, siguro mga less than 1 minute naman to. So, ito siya. All you have to do is to cool this. Pag nag-cool siya, ibig sabihin, pwede mo na siyang i-freezer. Ang dami, ha? Look at that. Ang ating kalahating kilong galunggong, ito yung nagawa na kikiam. Let's make our special manong sauce today. Half a cup of brown sugar with 2 cups of water. Ito yung base natin, di ba manimis-namis? Lalagyan natin ng 3 tablespoons na soy sauce. Para extra linamnam, gagamit tayo ng oyster sauce. 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. Diba? Kasi homemade na yung ating kikiam, dapat yung ating sauce level up din. And we will dissolve, ito siya combination of cornstarch and flour, 2 tablespoons ng harina at 1 tablespoon ng cornstarch. Blend natin. Mix natin ng maayos habang inaantay natin na uminit yung ating mantika. And ito, para masarap, meron tayong minced onion, garlic, and chilies. Kaya itong mga manong natin, nagbibenta ng ating paboritong tusok-tusok. Sarapan niyo yung inyong sauce kasi minsan ang sauce talaga nagdadala, di ba? So ito, pour lang natin dito. And gagawa din tayo ng masarap na suka combination. And we will just wait for that to cook and thicken up. Huwag kalimutan yung ating black pepper. So, akin, gusto ko ng mix. May tamis, may alat, may asim, and may konting anghang. Perfect yan sa akin. Kaya nagko-combine ako ng sauce. Gusto ko ng malapot na matamis, then yung suka na manghang. And mainit na yung ating mantika. Magprito na tayo. Yan, oh. Let us fry. Giant kikiam yung gawa natin, no? Inaan natin, sobrang init na, oh. How tostado do you want it? Ako, pwede nito. Pwede ako maunang kumain. Ito na yung sauce natin. Oh. Taste. Salt. Garlic. Sugar. Chili. Di ba may sauce ka na matamis? Lagyan mo ng suka na ganyan. Di ba? Para mas sumara pa yung inyong kikiam, after nyo mabuong into a dough, let it rest for 1 hour or more, no? Mas maganda yung effect nito. Mas magiging crunchy, mas lolobo siya. Napakadami nang nagawa natin using just 1/2 kilo of galunggong or whatever fish you want. And ito siya. Magpapamerienda tayo dito sa office. So wag nyo nang patagalin. Try this recipe of homemade kikiam. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.